Alrighty guys, so today is the day she's going to the dyno. But like I said, the appointment's at 10. I'm definitely gonna try and get some clips of, you know, doing rips on the dyno. I don't know how the shop's gonna be about recording, but you know, hopefully they let me get some clips. I'm pretty nervous, mainly just because I don't want the car to blow up on the dyno. We're gonna be shooting for, the goal is to break 700 wheel horsepower. Hopefully it does it. We'll see. I think it'll be able to, but you never know. I also finally got my power steering mounted. We got the Precision Raceworks bracket here. Yeah, so you can see that bracket there. Looks pretty decent. It's not perfect, but you know, it doesn't look bad. But yeah, you know, this is kind of not one last look, but just an overview of the engine bay now. It looks really clean in my opinion. I really like how it turned out. So yeah, I'm just going to kind of go over and make sure, you know, nothing's touching the turbo. You know, we don't want to melt anything on the dyno or cause any issues. So I'm going to do one last little overview here. So just once over everything. And then we'll definitely update you guys when we get there. We'll show a video of it getting up on the dyno. And then afterwards how much power it ends up making. £17. That was only
13 pounds, right? And you made 560 through. That's not bad. Little happy guy. Roger said 23, I said 17.
guys, hopefully you can see me. I hope the lighting isn't like too weird and I'm in the dark, but so as you guys saw, the car overly impressed me. It made 746 wheel horsepower and 669 foot-pounds of wheel torque. That was way more than I thought it was gonna make. It did that on close to 28 pounds of boost. Probably a little bit lower in the 27 though. It was pretty much a dream come true to see the car make that much power. You know, after like a little over 2 years of me and Zach building this car in his garage on jack stands, you know, to see it make that much power was really just amazing to see. You know, all of the work that we put into the car, it finally paid off and made the power that, you know, we've always wanted it to make. You know, when I first got the car, it was a base twin turbo automatic 335, you know, nothing special. But from the time that we bought it to where it is now, it's come so far, and couldn't be happier with how the car has treated me and where it's at today. So I want to give a big shout out to my tuner Chris. His Instagram is @CD919. A lot of the N54 guys will be familiar with him. He has tuned this car since I went single turbo a year ago, and I could not be happier with his work. So I would 1000% recommend going with him to tune your car. He's the best. He's always been there to help me with anything I needed. If I had any problems or weird quirks with the car at all, you know, he's been there to help me with diagnostics, just overall in general. He's helped me with any questions I had. He's always been there for me to help me out. So again, huge shout out to Chris for getting this car to where it's at today. He's been a huge part of the build, and then I could not have made that power without him. Another big shout out to Zach. You know, he's built this car with me. Again, it wouldn't be anywhere near to where it's at today without him. You know, we've spent countless hours in the garage underneath the car working on it together. So, you know, it's really been such a cool, good experience. We've, you know, learned together, you know, how to do everything. This thing's never been to a shop to get any work done. We've done 100% of everything ourselves. So it was really special to see it make that kind of power, knowing that we put the car together. You know, there's really no feeling like that. So then one last shout out to Albert. He came with me at the dyno. His YouTube channel is honestly bad. I'll link that in the description below. Go check out his video that he made on this car. That's a really cool video. We kind of go over the whole build and kind of just go walk through the mod list, you know, everything that's done to it, what we did to get it to the power that it's at now. So definitely go check that video out. It's a really good video. He kills it with the edit of the car. So definitely head over. Like I said, I'll link his channel in the description, as well as that video. So definitely go check both of those out. But he helped record some of the footage at the dyno. So, you know, again, big shout out to him for helping me out and coming with me to get some cool footage for you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I know this end part's gonna be kind of long and sappy, but whatever, you know, I gotta thank everyone who's helped me, you know, to get this car to where it's at, because I couldn't have done it, you know, by myself. So I appreciate everyone who was watching this video. You know, definitely subscribe, because we're gonna be getting a lot of cool race videos in now that it's fully dialed and making just stupid power. You know, we're gonna hopefully hurt some feelings of some other car owners this summer, for people who have no idea what kind of power this thing can make. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and comment on this video as well. If you guys want to see anything specific with this car, please let us know in the comments. We are down to make whatever video you guys want to see. So, you know, let us know your feedback. You know, when you guys like the video and comment, it helps motivate us to make more videos for you guys. You know, so we love doing it. So definitely, you know, just continue to give us feedback and let us know what you guys want to see. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos with this car. We're going to be making videos all summer long, so hope you guys stay for the ride, and we'll see you guys in the next video.